That is good. That. Excuse me, I'm filming here. Good boys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am going to be doing another eye look on the last palette in the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. Disclaimer before I start, my nails, yes, they look a little bit on the not so good side, so forgive me when I start pointing at eyeshadows with these nails. I am going to do them after this video, but oops, sorry y'all, got my Grey's Anatomy on. The fourth palette that I'm going to be using today is the Dark Magic palette. I have been absolutely dying to use this palette just because of all the dark shades and fall shades in here, and I'm super excited to go ahead and try this out. So let's just dump right in. Let's just jump right in, won't we? Shall we? So the first shade I'm going to take is this color up here called Poof. And we are going to put that all over the lid, or all over the eye. Let me scoot in. The next shade I'm going to take is this one right here called Shh. And I'm going to go in a little bit because I don't know how this shade is going to pick up. But we're using this as the transition color. The next shade I'm going to take is this one right here called Potion. And we are going to put this into the crease. Already know this eye color is, or this eye look is going to be a like super dark look, but I'm here for it. We'll just see what we create. So I'm just gonna go back and forth a little bit more with the Potion color and continue to blend this out in the crease, and then just going back in with that brush that we applied the transition shade with, and just blending all those colors out. The next shade I'm going to take is Busted, which is this beautiful blue shade down here. And we're going to put this into the crease as well, but a little bit lower. So I'm just starting off a little bit with the blue color because I don't want it to get too crazy here. So I am going to be quite honest with you guys. I am kind of proud of myself here because I set up a kind of like a filming schedule. I planned out the videos I'm going to film up until the end of October. So I'm super excited because I really want to try and film and post a video Tuesday, Fridays, and Sundays each week, and then hopefully, you know, I'm really praying. I wrote it all down, all the ideas that I have for each day. So I'm hoping that because I do that, that I will actually stick to it, and I don't just sit down and I'm like, okay, well, what am I going to film today, you know? So I'm going back in a little bit with Potion here. Yes. And just blending the blue shade and the green shade together a little bit more. And then I'm going to go in with this shade a little bit more with Busted and build up that blue color. Because I really want it to show that it is blue here. The next color I'm going to take is Trickery. Ooh, bitch. Oh my god, this color is amazing. Okay, this color is absolutely amazing. Oh, this is great. This is great. This color, Trickery, yes, girl. This color is giving me life. It's giving me life, honey. The next color I'm going to take is Inside Job. And I'm going to focus this color on the outer V of the eye. Kind of fill in this gap we have going on here. Now I'm going to take a little bit more of this shade right here on a R39 brush and deepen or put some more blue into this crease here. The next color I'm going to take is the transition shade called Shh that we originally applied. And I'm just going to take that on a Anastasia brush and run that underneath my lower lash line. Sorry if I sound a little weird right now. I have some allergies. But just continuing to build that color. And then I'm going to go back in with Potion. And I'm just going to run that underneath the lower lash line as well, just to give it a little bit of green. And then just running that back and forth, making sure that I like the color green that is applying. Then I'm going to go back into the blue color here, and I'm going to take it on a e.l.f. flat brush and run this super tight to the lashes. Just go back and forth, and then I'm also going to blend that out as well after I have applied it to both eyes. Sorry guys, I was on the phone. That's why that portion was talked over. But the under eye is complete here. I do want to pop a little some in my inner corner. A little bit of this shade right here, which is called Power Cut, I believe. Yes. And we're gonna pop it into the inner corner. Just a smidgen. Also going to pop a little bit of this Morphe Poolside. This is what's called? Yeah, Poolside. What is this called? Eyeliner? Okay guys, that is it for today's makeup tutorial. I really hope you all enjoyed it. I enjoyed doing this look here, but I feel like my crease on this eye is just not blending as well as it is on the other eye. Or is that just me? I think it's just me, because when I look at it in the mirror, it looks fine, but on camera, this eye bugs me. But like when I look at it right now, it looks fine. Anyways, this palette I was really actually excited to use, and I loved most of these colors in here. Although, because I haven't played with all the colors in here, but this lid shade Trickery, girl, that speaks to my soul. However, all the shades I liked pretty well. I do think this shade right here, Potion, I was expecting it to be more of a olive green on the eye. There is some green there. I just wish it was a little bit more pigmented, and the green actually showed up a little bit, because I feel like it's definitely a lot of blue overtake and the green doesn't really show up as well. But overall, I think it turned out really well. I like it, although on camera this eye bugs me to the utmost irritation right now. But when I look in the, like, literally there's a mirror right here, and I'm like, okay, that looks fine. But once I go here, I'm like, no, it doesn't look fine. So my mind is playing games on me. But I really hope you all enjoyed this video, because I like it. So far, for the overall collection, I enjoyed it. Although there were some shades that weren't my cup of tea and I didn't really like, I overall enjoyed the whole palette, and I will most likely be using those a lot, even if it's just to get, like, literally, I probably, during the holiday time, I'm probably going to be using this a lot. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I cannot say that enough. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!